I'm on the deck of the Titanic, and I started hearing something.
110 years after the launch of the original, Titanic 3 will set sail in just a few hours on the same path as her namesake.
Oh my God, look at this ship!
It's time of your life.
Okay, it's gonna be the time of my
Let's
life.
do it.
We have cosplayers, mediums, relatives, and as you know, priceless relics from the original Titanic disaster. Full throttle.
Full throttle.
To the best crew on the Atlantic. We are in open water.
On behalf of the White Star Lines, we'd like to welcome you aboard this maiden voyage of Titanic 3.
So you thought you could just steal these from their final resting place?
I preserve them so their memories can live on.
I bet you're gonna want to know what hidden treasures are around here.
What is she doing?
I call on you, you spirits, rise!
How long has this been happening?
You are on hallowed water and you have desecrated it.